Dear PHP lovers, I'm Shokhin. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk on PHP constants. Constants are like variables, but the difference is that after declaring it, you cannot change the value of it. So let's start. First of all, open up our XAMPP folder. Run the Apache server. Open up the htdocs folder. Go to our project Learning PHP. Create a new file named constants. Then the extension of PHP. Open up the file using Sublime Text Editor. Let's put the PHP start at end tag. To create a constant, we need to use the function define. So let's type define, and here 3 parameters is needed, but third parameter is optional. So the first parameter is the name of the constant, which is kind of the name of a variable, and the second parameter is the value of the constant, and the third parameter is the value for case insensitiveness. That means whether we want to make it the constant name is case sensitive or not. By default, the case insensitive value is false. So if we want to make it the constant name is case sensitive, then we have to put the true here. So first of all, let's try an example of case insensitive constant name. So for doing this, let's take a constant name, something like greetings. Then take the value of the constant, like welcome to PHP lovers. Then for case insensitive, this is the optional parameter, and the default value is false, so we don't need to put anything here for trying case sensitive constant name. Put a semicolon. Then let's print the constant. So to print it, echo, and here our constant name is case sensitive, so that we have to put the exact name of the constant here. So the exact name is all capital greetings. Now save it and run the script. To run it, open up a browser, then type localhost /learning _PHP / our script name, which is constants.php. Then hit the enter button. Oh, sorry, the name of the script has a spelling mistake, so let's fix it. To fix it, first of all I have to close the Sublime text, then rename it, delete this extra s, then reopen it. Okay, now let's run it again. Well, see, our constant value is showing here. So this is the example of a case sensitive constant. Now let's try a case insensitive constant. So before trying that, let's try to run it using all small letter greetings. Let's see what happens. Save it and run it again. See, now the PHP is providing a error message which says that constant greeting is undefined. That's mean our constant name is case sensitive, therefore we have to put the same constant name here. Now let's run it again. Work well. So now let's check a case insensitive constant. So for making it case insensitive, just we will use the third parameter, and here we will put true. Now run the script again. Let's see what happened. See, it's working. And let's make all small letter. Save it, run it again. See, now it's working as well for all small letters, because this is a case insensitive constant. So now let's see another thing, that is constant array. A constant can be an array. So how to create a constant array? Let's do it. For example, our constant is cars. Now we have to provide an array as a value. So for providing the array, we have to put the square bracket first, then the value. So first of all, provide BMW Honda Tesla. Now to show an array value, we have to provide the name of the constant and the index of the array. So the cars is an array now, and in this array the 0 number index contains the BMW, one number index contains the Honda, and 2 number index contains the Tesla. So if we want to show the BMW, so we have to put the constant name, which is cars, and in the square bracket we have to put the index number, which is 0 for BMW, 1 for Honda, and 2 for Tesla. So let's see how it should be output the value of BMW. So let's see, run the code, what happened? See, it's showing the value BMW. So yeah, same thing if we want to print the Honda, so we have to put one here as index. So run the code. Now it's provide the value Honda. Similarly, if we want to show the Tesla, so put 2 here. Now it's provide Tesla. So this is the method of constant array. That's mean you can, if you want, you can also use an array as a constant. And the last information about constant is the constant is a global variable. The constant is by default global variable. That's mean you can use the constant from anywhere in the PHP after declaring it. So if you want, you can use the constant from inside a function as well. So let's see, suppose let's write a function. Check the constant is global, and then parenthesis, and then curly bracket begin and close. This is the method to write a function in PHP. Now put this PHP statement, echo statement, inside the function. Now call the function here. For calling the function, provide the name of the function, then parenthesis, and then semicolon. And now you can see that we are using the constant cars from inside a function, and it will work because of the constant itself a global variable. So let's run the script, see what happened. See, it's provide the Tesla again, and do not provide any error message. That's mean the constant is global, and we can use the constant from anywhere in PHP after declaring it. So let's try the constant for greetings. Welcome, and took it. Run the script again. See, the constant is working as a global variable as well. So that's all for this tutorial. In this tutorial we learned how to write a PHP constant and how to use it, how to write a PHP constant array as well. And hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. And that's all for this tutorial. If you enjoy, then please like it and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you, and see you in next tutorial.